Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are up super early because we're headed to the airport. We are going to California, specifically Long Beach and Big Bear, because we are gonna stay at some Airbnbs with some mini ramps. We're headed there to do a full tour. We'll see you at the airport. Kansas City Airport, which is brand new, and there's a bunch of new stuff that we haven't seen in there yet, so we're gonna take you around, kind of check it out, and then just see a few of our new favorite things that are in there. So let's get it. Okay, so here are two things we really love about the new Kansas City Airport. One, it has like all Kansas City everything. So actual things that are in Kansas City are actually here at the airport. So whether you have a layover or if you're flying into Kansas City, you can experience some of that stuff. There was like Martin City Bruco, River City Market, and then obviously our favorite was Messenger. So our second favorite thing there, Messenger coffee. Definitely a staple in Kansas City. You've got to check it out. Thank God for coffee because it is early and we're excited to get to go to Dallas next. Alright, so we just landed in Dallas. We stopped and got some Texas barbecue, a little layover, and then we're headed to Long Beach. We made it to Long Beach. We're at the Airbnb, and we actually just filmed the entire Airbnb tour. So super excited to show you that. As soon as that video is done, I'm gonna link it in a card right up here. But yeah, we're just super stoked. I think we're gonna try to skate the mini ramp tomorrow. We're exhausted, we're hungry. We're gonna go get some food. Guys, day 2 here in Long Beach at the Airbnb. We had an incredible time going out to eat last night. We went to Lola's?
Lola's. It was great. It's only an 8-minute walk from here, so you don't have to mess with traffic.
Yeah, because traffic is very difficult to navigate here in Long Beach. But we just had some coffee, kind of had a slow morning as we get ready to film some more content. But I want to show you guys why we're actually here and what we're going to be filming. You can see the backyard space is super rad. We have like a nice time that we're out here too. Like it's a lot cooler here than it is in Missouri, which is almost mind-blowing. But here's actually why we're here, because we're gonna film on this guy. Little mini ramp. We've got a spine right here with a parking block, so I'm definitely gonna film some trick tips on that, and we're gonna get a ton of photos because it's just a super rad mini ramp. Sibo is actually the one that went through and did all the artwork, Sibo Walker. So super excited to skate it. But first we're gonna go check out this really cool juice bar. It's like a cold pressed juice bar called Salud. We're gonna take some photos, some videos. We'll take you along with us and give you a rating of it as well. First impressions of Salud. What do you think?
It's so good.
It is so good. I ended up getting just a drip coffee. Olivia got a latte. I ended up getting an acai bowl, and she got a
berry toast.
So good. Would highly recommend if you're in Long Beach, come and check this place out. They have some different juices. I think we're gonna grab them later, and we'll let you know how they are as well. All right, we just finished up doing a few more videos on the ramp. We're gonna go rest for a little bit, edit some photos, but we got some super rad content. We got some cool videos. I'll link all of those videos up here as well. So any of the other videos we filmed, they'll be up there. We are here, day 3 at the Keen Ramps mini ramp in Long Beach. There's a really fun spine ramp here, so I want to learn a bunch of new spine tricks. I just finished up the skate session at the Airbnb, and there was one trick that I really wanted to do because I wanted this very specific photo. And since we got the photo the day before, I wanted to make sure that I did the trick and did it very similar to the photo, and it was a battle. Fell a lot, but super stoked I got it. So now I'm pretty sore. So we might be done skating that mini ramp until we get to Big Bear. We skate that one, but for now we are headed to
Naples Island.
Naples Island. We're gonna shoot some photos. We brought the camera with us, so super stoked to shoot some photos there. I'll drop those here.
What's up, guys? We just got back from the canal and we made it out to the saltwater deck. It's a cute little food shack that's on the beach. We're super excited to try it out, and this is our first time being at the beach since we've got to Long Beach, so we're really excited to be here.
Yep, we can say we actually went to the beach now. Super excited about our food. I'll throw some photos of it. I'm sure we'll take some photos. We'll put those here, but this is our last night in Long Beach because we go to Big Bear tomorrow. Super stoked to finally go to the mountains and skate that mini ramp. It is our last day in Long Beach, so before we leave, we're gonna play this arcade game and see if we can shoot some bears. We're getting ready to pack up and leave the Long Beach Airbnb, but before we do, the last thing we have to do is sign the visitor guest book. We just packed up everything at the Long Beach Airbnb and we are headed to Big Bear, but first, we're gonna stop one more time at Salud. We're gonna get some snacks for the trip. So on our way out of Long Beach, we actually passed Long Beach Skate Shop. Had to stop real quick. Super rad dudes that were in there. Wanted to get another shop shirt. We picked up this one, super cool. They said it just came out. It's like the Girl Skateboards Long Beach collab. But let's get out of the city. Let's get to Big Bear.